This is Hannibal, the HannibalTV.com with a daily wrestling news update. Raw's rating was down this week 0.50. WWE and Pro Wrestling Noah Japan are going to make an announcement this Sunday. Who knows, maybe some sort of collaboration going on there. WWE is coming back to Japan for the first time in a long time. Judge Jeffrey A. Mayer on Tuesday officially put on pause Janelle Grant's lawsuit against Vince 11th. Well, Department of Justice, their investigation into possible charges regarding federal issues with Vince McMahon and all these non-disclosure agreements that have been signed and so forth. So if Vince McMahon, his no compete supposedly ends in January 2025, but if all this stuff is going on, I guess don't expect him to start anytime soon. It looks like there's still a lot of stuff for Vince to come if he's going to do that. It doesn't mean anything for the Janelle Grant lawsuit to be paused. Obviously, it would be a good thing if for Grant's lawsuit if McMahon is indicted by the federal government, and probably a bad thing for it if it's not. Wrestling returns to Petawawa, Ontario, August 31st, featuring the Warlord teaming with the Blood Hunter, managed by Katie Lee Burchill, aka Winter, which is going to be a great event. More event information at thehannibaltv.com, and tickets are on sale now at ticketweb.ca. We're also in Napanee later this month, just about 3-ish weeks away, featuring Paul Roma, Angel Medina, the Blood Hunter, and Rene Dupree. Someone says that Vince nailed Janelle Grant. Well, I don't think there's any question in that. But there's other issues that have to be resolved, I guess, related to that situation, which, by the way, I'm pretty bored of by this point, and mainstream news has stopped covering it, but the wrestling news is still covering it. However, if this federal investigation into Vince McMahon leads to anything, it could be very bad for Vince McMahon. I guess only time will what happens. Investigation. He hasn't actually been